After years of industrial use and improvement, Asphalt ball pressing machine, compared with other similar products, has the advantages of high pellet rate, small power consumption, compact structure, and easy maintenance and debugging. Asphalt ball pressing machine. Due to the roller forced extrusion, the product has high density, high strength, high hardness of 3 high characteristics, and the Asphalt ball pressing machine press roll 650 mm hard material, has good wear resistance, effectively improve the service life of the press roll. After the Asphalt ball pressing mechanism for forming materials, energy saving and environmental protection, easy to transport, improve the utilization rate of waste, has good economic and social benefits.